So in this video, we're going to get into why we use post saver post sleeves. First, we must start with the post treatment itself. Prior to 2004, the posts were treated with chromated copper arsenate. And the key word there is arsenate. And arsenate is associated with arsenic. And we all know that arsenic is extremely toxic. Just like it's extremely toxic to people, it's extremely toxic to microorganisms. And this toxicity would kill the microorganisms as they try to break down the wood, which meant a long life for the post. Now posts are treated with mostly copper. Now, copper is an essential nutrient in plant growth. It's also essential for our bodies to take in copper. We actually have copper in our drinking water. So we know that copper is mostly non-toxic. Now it does prevent some rot in the post, but nowhere near what arsenic did. So with this in mind, we begin to use the post saver post sleeve to make up for the lack of potency of the arsenic. So next, we're going to show you some real world examples on why we use the post saver post sleeve.
Come in, zoom in right here. You can see how rotten that is. I can peel that away with my fingers. Okay, so I'll show you with the hammer. See how it just breaks? All right, so this is rotten right here at the ground level. If you look here, right at the ground level, and the reason it's rotten is because the soil contacts it here. The microorganisms splash up and they actually eat this away. And then when you combine the weed eater with hitting that, it just rottens the fence right out. And then most of your posts are going to break right here at this level. But if you notice right here, it's solid, 100% solid. And that's simply because of where the microorganisms eat. And then I'll even show you at the bottom, if you can back out, Jim. So if you look at that right there is 100% solid. So the only place that this post has rotted out is right here where at the ground level. The importance of a post saver post sleeves, if you look here, this is a post and this is at ground level. So you see this actually just broke off. And you can see all the life that's in there. The microorganisms are eating everything. You can't see those, but you can definitely see their damage that they've caused. And just to show you, this is not only on one, there's another one, same way. Weed eater damage and post rotting off. There's another, same thing. There's another. So you can see the importance of using the post saver post sleeves. Extremely important, especially in Houston, Texas, or in this area because it's so wet. So you can just see how, look at that. I can just break that with my finger. You see? Here's another one. So this is why you want to use the post saver post sleeves. And that's why we use them. See how wet and soft that wood is. Here, on this one, the wood has been completely ate away. So let me get from the side there. So you can see that post is completely rotten and gone. Same thing here. So this is why you're gonna need your post saver post sleeve.
Here is an example of why we use the post saver sleeves. You can see how the decay and the rot gets in the post from this picture, and then we're going to show you a real world example.
Our anti-rot package. So if you look here, our post saver sleeve will come right in that vulnerable section and it's going to waterproof the post right there. It's heat shrink to the post. It has tar on the back lining, and then for added protection, we add in a weed eater guard. This is galvanized steel, will not rust, and it's very heavy duty, very thick. So once your weed eater hits that, it's not going to cut through and damage your post.